improve mental health with meditation, positive thinking, journaling/gratitude journaling, social connection with family and friends. Earn online income by the end of 2022. Get six pack and toned body by the end of 2022. Morning, guys. I'm adding something new to my daily routine, and that is manifestation. Now, if you don't know what it is, it's kind of almost similar to goal setting, but just I'm gonna constantly repeat these words in the mirror, getting it stuck in my brain, so it sort of almost like tricks my mind into actually believing it's real, whether it is or it's not. So last night I was trying to write what I wanted to manifest, and these were the main things that I really thought about. I could add more, but this is just like kind of like the beginning of it, or rough draft, I guess. So it's: I am confident, I am attractive, I am handsome. I am not afraid to talk to anyone. I am happy. Now this may seem kind of ridiculous to you guys, and at first to me it did, but I honestly, wholeheartedly believe in this. Even though I've never really done it that much before, I just something, your mind is so powerful. You can trick it into believing whatever you want to believe. I am confident. I am attractive. I am handsome. I am not afraid to talk to anyone. Okay, I'm kind of exaggerating right now, but I am happy. So yeah, these are the things I have troubles dealing with, in my day-to-day life. I'm not afraid to admit that to you guys. I've always been honest with you guys. I'm not gonna hide anything. I deal with confidence issues at times. I deal with thinking I'm ugly at times. A lot of times I'm not happy, and a lot of times I'm afraid to talk to not only girls but just people in general, just having that like social anxiety. Just leave me alone, man. Why are you trying to break into my goddamn car? I just freaking realized last night that they done took my freaking title out of my car. They're trying to pry they done freaking pried open my door with the lock. Dude, what? Oh my god, man. Leave me alone! Dude, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Give it like another day. They're gonna have my car and they're gonna start the thing. Man, I don't know what to do, man. What am I doing? Please give me some advice in the comments. Oh, man. Come on, Grandma, speed it up. Come on, man. I don't get all goddamn day. I'm not in the mood. Hurry up! I'm trying not to think like bad thoughts right now, but I just want to get a baseball bat and just like catch him like while he's in the middle of like trying to get into my car and just hit him on the head with it. But I want to spike it up first. I'm gonna spike up the baseball bat, then hit him with it. Oh man, I wish I had like some kind of sniper or something like that. I could just like go from out my window and just. Okay, man. Let me calm down. But like, do I call the cops? Do I tell my office? Like, what the heck do I do? I'm about to call my grandfather after work today, but I don't want him to be mad because I haven't really talked to him like in a while, and he thinks I only call him when I need something. And now I'm calling him because something happened. So, I've always been wanting to get my hands just nice and dirty, huh? I don't know why, but that water just didn't taste right, man. Ugh. And I went to the friggin' bathroom and I happened to get a wet spot right there, huh? It's perfectly positioned, huh? Yeah. Can't trust anybody anymore. Gotta always keep my head on a swivel. I swear to you guys, this break-in crap in my car, this will never happen again. The first time, simple mistake, left my window down. Second time, no, mistake's on me. I allowed this. During work today, I got some supplies. Yeah, let's see if they can get through this. Steering wheel lock. Just disrespectful, man. I don't even know what this is from. Here it is. Ooh, this bad boy. That's like a whole gun. Wish I had me a goddamn gun. Unlock with the key and pull the steering wheel lock. I think this is how you do it. This thing is kind of dumb because it's supposed to not supposed to stop the steering wheel from moving. It's supposed to make it hard for the thief to drive it. I mean, shoot, I guess. Guys, I'd be dumb to only have this. You think I only got this? Come on, guys. What the heck is this little thing, man? I was just about to go to Walgreens to get a car charger, but look at this. Coming in clutch. Coming in clutch, boys. They call freaking calling the goddamn police department. I don't call it like dang cops, but I just did it just because, and well, I don't really have a reason. Like, just to be safe. Just to file a stupid report. These idiots can't even answer the phone. Like, what? You guys are the police? How do you guys not answer the goddamn phone? Looks like I have to take matters into my own hands. steering wheel lock in place, camera set up. I'd like to see them try now. And the second I see somebody on that camera, I'm coming out and I may have to kill them. This might have just been the dumbest purchases I've ever made in my life, because this camera is like a dash camera, so it only connects to my phone when I'm in the car. $42, flush it down the toilet. So I'm about to head to Walmart right now to get me a car charger and also to get a freaking new camera, because this ain't gonna cut it and I need it tonight. Not really sure which one to get, which is best for the car. So I end up getting this. I hope this thing even like works from like, let's say if I put it in the car and I'm in the house, I hope I could still see it, because it said see everything from anywhere. Almost caved in the temptation to get fast food and my ultimate temptation, McDonald's, but I held strong, came home, ate some fish. Delicious. Remember, you can't trust anyone. Keep your eyes sharp. It's awfully quiet out here. A little too quiet. So let's just say I got the camera to work and it is actually motion detected. So whenever something moves around my car, I get an automatic notification. So not bad, not bad. The camera's great.